Second day at the Zen temple, just finished 10 minutes ago. It's really good. I can talk a lot, but one thing that's really funny is that there are certain protocols. You do this way, bowing this way, and go like this, whatever. And there's a ring, the bell, and you follow and move on. I forgot, and this place has different protocols, so you have to learn. So after we finished, because when you're sitting, nobody talks, this lady, Keisha, stopped and told me, okay, when they say face in, I didn't hear that clearly, so you're sitting and then face inside. I didn't. And bowing, and I was facing the wall and bowing, and they are doing it in the other direction. And then I don't know how it happened, but again, the standing up and do another protocol. So I was imitating, and they don't say much about it, but because you're not talking while you're in the zendo where you sit. So after I went out, Keisha told me, okay, this is so and so. So this is the second day. And I realized yesterday I was also oblivious about it because you just focused in what you do, and there's a ring of the bell and you do this and then say a few words and you have to follow. If you miss it, and that was what I was going through. So she told me there's lot to learn, and I said no, it's okay. It's just one step at a time. I don't want to overburden myself to learn a lot and sacrifice. So she was laughing. So we had a good conversation. But that's how the kids learn. And I don't know, there may be more to talk about just this simple thing, how we follow. But one of the key idea I think we need to understand is for the people to work together, there's certain need for protocol to follow. And there's a good discipline, the procedure they developed over years. And this temple may be a bit different from the other temple. You know, there are a lot of things I noticed that's different, but I'm not going to go into it. So we just follow, and it's okay. And I was telling when she said that it looks overburdening or too much, and I said, no, it's okay. I just follow one step at a time. So she was laughing because that's the good attitude. That's the whole point of it. So let's go one step at a time, and everything clarify. No mind. Things just happen. And in meditating, for example, taking this opportunity, I hear the birds. This way, talking something, and there's another one responding. There's another different species of bird saying something. And they're communicating. That was wonderful. And I kind of imagine they have this intuitive communication. And in my mind, lots of intuitive communication going on, mind and body. So when there's a need, they may say some word or without word, and there's organ responding to it. I need more nutrition of this kind, and some organs say, okay, let's do this, and then it carries over to what's needed. That's also just in time. And this whole existence is just the way nature functions, and they communicate with each other. That's what I was sensing. Just think back and remember meditating, sitting, mind quiet, listening to birds. And it's a profound feeling of how we live. Without that communication, that's unconscious part that's going on, without that, we cannot live. It's appreciation of life at the ground level. What's the use of it? That's a stupid question. I don't know how to answer that. If you say, what's the use of it? That's your mind is saying, what's the use of it? Because the mind doesn't realize that. The mind is stupid. Without that, we cannot live. That's in our heart, in our body. They communicate, and we live. Let's appreciate and experience this, not in concept, but being quiet in mind, listening to bird, whatever. May all beings be happy. How this communication help us to be who we are